Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Katya. For those of you who do, welcome back. So for today's video, I decided to create some DIYs for you, and I created miniature trees. The reason why is because I feel that little trees are the perfect accessory to put throughout your house, whether it's on a mantle, whether it's on a dresser, a console table, even your countertops. I think that a little tree is the perfect decorative piece. So I wanted to create 4 different styles, and then I put an older one that I did a few years ago, and I thought I would incorporate it in this video as well because I love that one too. So I wanted to share it in case you didn't see it. But of course, keeping it all in my earthy pieces, my natural pieces. It's using things that are in nature, things that you can get in your kitchen, you can get throughout your house. I love to reuse, revamp, and play around, use things that you already have in a different way. I ended up creating 4 different trees. I love how they turned out. I think that they're very Katya. They're pretty simple DIYs to create, not too hard, so that everyone can create them. Of course, everything takes time, so you do need a little patience, especially when it comes to DIY. You think that it's going to be quick and easy, but when you start doing it, you start realizing that it does take a little bit more time and a lot of patience. So a little heads up. So without further ado, we are going to jump right into this video. Enjoy. So that is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down below, let me know which piece is your favorite. Now moving on to the outfit part. Jewelry, you already know, koakaya, pretty much all of it's koakaya. Necklaces, koakaya. Shirt, my bestie ended up giving me this shirt, and I know that she had bought it on Shein many years ago. She never wore it. She was like, Katya, do you want it? And I'm like, yes, I am taking it. I feel like a little swan in it. I am wearing Levi's jeans, simple blue high-waisted jeans. I wanted to tone it down since the shirt is a little bit a lot. And surprisingly, I am not wearing a hat today. I thought that the shirt was giving a lot, so I'm like, let's just keep it really simple, and I didn't want to give it too much. So that is the whole outfit. Next week is going to be the centerpiece, styling my table, so stay tuned for that. When I start getting inspiration, it's like, I don't know if you guys noticed, I'm putting out more videos. It's something that I love, and I'm so passionate about Christmas, and I think it shows. So anyway, I love you so much. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your thumbs up. Thank you for watching my videos. It means so much to me. I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah.